Now let's briefly talk about some common facts about elements, and we're going to talk about elemental symbols as well. So far, there are 118 known elements. 88 of them occur naturally, 30 of them are synthesized in the labs. The discovery of these elements took hundreds of years. The abundance of elements, the word abundance means the percentage. Okay, we're going to look at a few slides talking about the abundance of elements in different area. This one is talking about in universe. Okay, knowing these numbers are not critical for you to learn chemistry well or not. But these are some common facts, some interesting facts. That is cool to know. So let's talk about them. Abundance of elements in terms of atom percentage in universe, as we can see, 91% of all the atoms are hydrogen atoms. Abundance in the Earth's crust, 60% of atoms are oxygen atoms. Silicon takes about 20%, and all those others takes about another 20%. For human body, around 60% of atoms are hydrogen atoms. Oxygen takes about 26%, carbon about 11%, nitrogen 2.4%, all others 0.7%. Now let's talk about the chemical symbols. Chemical symbols are also called elemental symbols. They are symbols that are used by chemists to represent different elements. They are either one or two-letter designations derived from the element's name. Many two-letter symbols are the first two letters of the name of the element. However, that is not always true. When writing a chemical symbol of an element, the first letter must be capitalized. If the symbol is a two-letter symbol, the second letter must be lowercase. Now we see 5 examples here. Okay, now let's look at the last two symbols. Lead, silver. The PBAG look nothing like their names. What happened? The elemental symbols for silver, lead are derived from their Latin names, and there are many other elements are like this. Here I have a few examples: silver, gold, iron, lead, copper. If you look at your book on page 16, there's a table 1.1 where you have many elements listed with their names and symbols. Some of those names and symbols are printed in red. Those are elements you should memorize their names and symbols for this class.